So welcome to Mr. BK, and today we're gonna see super hatch. That is the super hatch command which is present in the express tool. So everybody has tried an hatch, but nobody, but not even I guess some have not tried this type of hatch. This is the oldest command in AutoCAD. So if you want to make your image as a hatch or a block as a hatch, you can use a super hatch. So image, just click on the image, super hatch image, and just import the image what you need to make as a hatch. Just click it on and give the default structures and click on the edge and click the scaling size as you prefer. I just prefer as a 0.25 and I just click OK. Then it asks me, is this element is acceptable? Yes, and I'm gonna click the initial point inside and I just gonna wait for it, and the hatch happens. That is that super hatch, that is the image which has been made is fully made as an hatch. So this was the process of making an image as an hatch. So you just click on it and you can see the color backgrounds and temporary expose and brightness, contrast and fade, and you can even increase or decrease the color contrast, and you can just make a hatch how visible you need it. So fade and fade is option that which gets faded, and this is a way how you make an image as a hatch. Just click on the super hatch which is present in the express tool and follow the procedures. But if I need to make as a block as an hatch, so how do I make it? Just insert a block from ADC, that is ADC AutoCAD Directory Center. Just insert a socket or a bolt, whatever you need. So I'm just gonna bring a socket or a helical flange screw. So I'm just going for the super hatch and I'm gonna click the block. So I can just click on OK with the normal unknown file. So I just need to go and click inside the block. So if you want, even you can file and browse and bring that in. So if you want also, you can file and bring down the image. So even if you want, you can make select the block which is in current size. So I just brought the flange and just gonna click it OK. Then I'm gonna click it OK. It asks me where to place it, so I'm just gonna place it where I need it. And the scale sizes, whatever you need, you can give the scale sizes. I'm just gonna give the 1:1. So as usual the 1, and it asks me whether you want a X scale reference or Y scale reference. You just click and rotate everything. It asks for the blocks, everything. So you just click it on, and even the extreme functions and which you need it. So all you just needed to just click it. As you just need to pick up the initial point, click it in and click on enter and just wait for a second, so that the block which has been made will be made it into everything. Just need to wait. So block is made as a hatch. So in this process you can make a block into a hatch or even an image as a hatch. So these are the conditions and steps which you need to follow to make a super hatch, that is a block or an image. So for further doubts and queries, you can contact Mr. BK and leave a comment below.